Examine the package for shipping damage. If you find any damage, report it to the freight carrier. Carefully remove the shipping carton from the pallet, cutting the shipping straps and removing the cardboard box. The installation kit is boxed separately from the vacuum. Verify that the installation kit parts were shipped with the system. Remove the 4 1/2-inch bolts securing the vacuum to the pallet, using a 9/16 wrench or socket. Use 2 people to lift the A-dec vacuum from the pallet. Take care not to crush or damage any of the hoses.
Refer to the install guide for proper clearances around the equipment.
Install the feet. Ensure the product stands firmly on the floor.
The A-dec vacuum is meant for indoor use only in a dust-free, climate-controlled room.